So good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's session of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill, India, dated December 18, 2023. So before we go ahead, I would give a small disclaimer that registration granted by SEBI membership, BASIL, and certification from NISM is no way guarantee performance of the intermediary and provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investment security markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. So taking much time, and start with Nifty's chart analysis for the past few days. Uh, as you can see, Nifty had a very good moment on Friday. It had a positive opening. After that, it continued to move higher and higher. On the good days, volumes have been very good for the past few sessions since the state election results. Uh, Money has been flowing into the Indian equity markets, and that is pretty evident. Uh, Friday, we almost got an additional FTD moves was around 1.3% higher, and even volumes was higher than the Thursday session. So it was a pretty good move. And if you look at the last few sessions, I mean, post the consolidation, the initial half of the last week, the last couple of sessions on Thursday and Friday, the move was very good. This move can also be regarded to the uh, US Fed's halt in halting its interest rates in the December session, also hinting at three rate cuts in 2024. So all of that probably led to a positive bias in the Indian equity markets as well. Currently, according to the William O'Neill market status, we are in a confirmed uptrend, and the distribution day count, that is the D-day count, which we use to track market weakness, is currently at 1, which is very low. Overall, even the moving averages, short-term moving averages are moving higher, such as your green line, that is the 21 DMA, the red line, that is 50 DMA, and even the 100 and the 200 DMA is also slightly moving higher at this moment, which is a good sign. Going forward, if distribution day count increases and key moving averages or key support levels are breached, then we may go from a confirmed uptrend to uptrend under pressure. So talking about key news, IRB Infra gets a letter of intent from NHIL for Gwalior, Jhansi and Kota bypass for upfront consideration of 1,683 crores. Revenue link concession period for Gwalior, Jhansi and Kota bypass is 20 years. Tata Power solar system signed rupees 418 contract with NTPC. The company will be supplying 152 MWCP DCR solar power modules for its Nook solar park in Rajasthan. Granule Virginia arm gets 5 observations from US FDA post GMP inspection. The US FDA conducted the inspection from December 11th to 15th. Zydus Life received final US FDA approval for Lacosamide tablets, which is used to treat partial onset seizures. Mankind Pharma makes an investment of euro 1 million in Actimate Therapeutics for an additional stake of 1.29%. Post the investment, the aggregate shareholding of the company in Actimate has reached 10.19%. Talking about the global market update, as we entering probably the holiday session of the year end across the globe, I mean, markets are going very timid, and US markets, as you can see on Friday, Dow Jones moved higher by 0.2%, S&P 500 was flat at 0.0%, and Nasdaq moved higher by 0.4%. Even Asian markets are not probably providing any major trend. As you can see, Shanghai is very flat. Kospi is trading higher by 0.2%, and Nikkei is trading lower by -1%. If we talk about GIFT Nifty as well, GIFT Nifty is also indicating a muted opening. Friday's close was around 21,450-ish levels, and this is trading around 20-30 pips, 20-30 points higher, which is slightly a positive bias, but at this moment we can consider a very muted opening. Uh, Now it's time to consider the chart of the day. The chart of the day for us is Poonawalla Fincorp. as you can see. EPS rating of 75 is fair, but you can see the last 5, 6, 7 quarters of the company results have been very good. Similarly, price strength is fair, but last few session RS line is moving higher, which is a good sign. Buyer demand is also very good. As you can see, for the last couple of weeks, on the right hand side of the cup pattern, as you can, the stock is showing good signs of accumulation. Even the last 3 to 4 sessions, the stock has been showing good signs of accumulation. And if you look at the left-hand side of the base, that is when the stock was falling on very low volumes. So, which is also a very good sign. That is no major signs of distribution. That is why the buyer demand or the FID rank is very strong at A plus. And similarly, you can see fund holding for the company has also been improving or every quarter. It is one of the fastest growing NBFC and very well managed. And in the past few quarters, have been delivering very good results. Even the outlook given by the NBFC is very strong. And similarly, the stock is still 3% to pivot. If this momentum and this run continues and the stock is able to break out on above average volumes, this can be a very good stock to watch out for and ideally can be kept in the buy watch list. So thank you, and that's it from my side. And stay tuned to the space of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India from Monday to Friday at 8:45 a.m.